Hey, what's up guys? Carlos here from Iniciarte 4x4 on YouTube and Instagram. In today's video I'm gonna show you the unboxing of the Nitto merch. For those you don't know, we are part of the Nitto Pit Crew members since like 2 years ago. Then we are gonna be amazing. They always send us some merch every quarter, and this opportunity they have a good merch here because on the past Overland Expo West they announced the collab with Baja Design. That means we have a good goodies here inside, a good products. We are gonna go inside the garage and open the box because it's cloudy. Look like they're gonna start raining. I don't wanna like cut the video in the middle because we're gonna be unboxing and show you guys all the accessories. I don't wanna be running. Let's just grab this box and let's just go inside the garage, okay? They sent us a lot of stuff this time. Let me show you. They have a wallet here. They don't want to come out. Come on. Okay, it's coming. It's like this. The RIT wallet. Just put it back because I'm gonna keep showing you guys all the stuff they sent us. They sent us a jacket, it's a rain jacket from Carhartt, a backpack. This is the duffel bag, I believe. Yep. It's here, it's inside. It's gonna look like this. Notepad, look like a pouch. Let's open this one. Yep. No, it is a pouch. That way we can keep some stuff from our truck on the deck drawer system that we have. We have a pen. Yep, they have like a bottle opener, dual head screwdriver, the emergency glass breaker. Pretty fun. Have a lot of stuff here. Can open. It's nice. We're gonna put it on the truck as well. We have these gimbal for our phone. It's Nitto as well. Okay. We have a Jelly tumbler with the Nitto logo. Pretty good for my Monster because I don't drink coffee. We have this emergency pack from my medic. We're gonna put on the back of the seat, and with all the first first aid kit ready for our adventures. And of course they have the Nitto patch right there. This was nice. Few shirts, some t-shirts, all large. And we have the one I told you about, collab Nitto with Baja Design. And we have here the Baja design lights with the Nitto branded on the side. That is all. Let me just open this one. That way I can show you guys. Let's just open this one. This one say Nitto. Have a Forerunner here. And this one is Nitto Pit Crew as well. Have some tires here. This is nice. And the last one, they only say Nitto, and have another tire here. This is nice. We have some shirt. I believe this is all, guys. And oh, and the I believe I showed you already this one, but this is a pretty heavy rain jacket with the Nitto branded as well. This is nice because we are in summer in Florida, and here is the rain season. Hurricane is coming. You know how it is every week. Rain like twice a day. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Like I say, we have to record this video inside the garage because outside it's raining. But well, you can enjoy our Nitto Pit Crew merch for this quarter. Like I say, if you want to join their team, if you have some Nitto tires, just go to the Nitto Pit Crew Instagram channel. You can just follow them. Check all the members that we are part of the family, all that nice trucks, sport cars. They have a lot of different cars. You don't have to have like an overland truck. You can be in all the areas because they support all the community. If you want to be part of the team, just go to the Instagram channel and check the link on their Instagram channel, and you can just complete the application, and they're gonna approve you, blah blah blah. They're gonna be all the process. If you want to know more about that, leave me a comment and I can explain you all the information about Nitto Pit Crew. But thank you guys, thank you for watching the video, and stay tuned.